One of the best kept secrets of Florence is this building that you see behind me. It's called the Chiostro dello Scalzo. It was part of a building complex that belonged to a confraternity dedicated to St. John the Baptist here in the city of Florence that was established in the 14th century. And while the outside of the building might not be the most impressive thing, the inside is extraordinary. It is a rectangular cloister that was designed by the great Renaissance architect Giuliano da San Gallo, but perhaps even more importantly, decorated with frescoes by the great Andrea del Sarto. 16 scenes depicting episodes from the life of St. John the Baptist, painted in a technique called grisailles, which was meant to look like relief sculpture. It's a sort of gray and white bichrome appearance. And they are some of the most important paintings of the entire Italian Renaissance. You start reading the scenes to the right of the entrance and then make your way around progressively through the entire life of the Baptist himself. And the artist Andrea del Sarto is a real underdog of the Italian Renaissance. You may or may not have heard of him, but consider that his nickname was l'artista senza errori, or the artist without error. And when Leonardo da Vinci died in 1519, it was Andrea del Sarto who was called to replace him by King Francis I of France to travel to Paris and become his court artist. So it is a true shrine to the genius of Andrea del Sarto. So if you're in Florence, be sure to visit the Chiostro dello Scalzo, but make sure to also check out the opening hours because they're a little tricky. And be sure to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.